Most people get this wrong when searching for reward apps on iPhone. They assume every app that says earn money will actually pay you consistently. But here's the truth no one tells you. Only a small group of reward apps are truly reliable, and the rest are slow, limited, or heavily dependent on your location. In this video, you'll learn the top 5 reward apps for iPhone in 2026 that actually pay, how each one works, and what kind of earnings you can realistically expect. By the end, you'll know which apps are worth your time, and which ones are just hype. Let's start with number 1, Swagbucks. This is still one of the most trusted reward platforms. On iPhone you can earn by watching videos, completing offers, and sometimes playing games. Now here's the key detail. It is flexible, but earnings depend on how active you are. Someone like Alex can earn steadily, but only with consistent usage. At number 2 we have Inbox Dollars. This app pays you for simple tasks like reading emails, completing surveys, and trying offers. It is beginner-friendly. But here's the problem. Some tasks take time, so the hourly value can feel low. Now number 3 is Misplay, which is available on iPhone in limited ways depending on region. It focuses on playing mobile games to earn points. Now here's where it gets interesting. It is one of the most stable gaming reward systems, but it is slow, so patience matters. At number 4, we have rewarded play alternatives for iOS users, such as Lucktastic Style or Scratch reward apps. These are more luck-based and entertainment-focused. You can earn, but results are inconsistent, so it should not be your main earning app. Now number 5 is Feature Points. This app lets you earn by downloading apps, testing them, and completing offers. It is straightforward and works well for small rewards. But the biggest limitation is that high-paying offers are not always available. But here's the reality most people miss. None of these apps will replace a job or give serious income. They are designed for micro-rewards, not full earnings. That means your strategy matters more than the app itself. So how do you choose the best one? If you want consistency, Swagbucks is the strongest all-rounder. If you prefer simple tasks, Inbox Dollars is easy to start with. If you enjoy gaming, Misplay style apps are better. If you want occasional bonuses, Feature Points works well. And luck-based apps should only be used for fun. The biggest mistake people make is chasing every new app instead of sticking to one or two and actually building rewards over time. So here is the final takeaway. The best iPhone reward apps in 2026 are the ones that match your habits, not the ones with the biggest promises. If this helped you, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of earning apps in 2026.